Hello family, in this video we are going to learn how to perform math problems involving more than one operation. And so anytime you have a mathematical problem involving more than one operation, you apply the concept of BODMAS. So, and with the concept of BODMAS, the B here stands for brackets. Meaning any expression or any problem which is in bracket. So anytime you have to solve a problem and you have a particular problem in the bracket, then you have to solve that one first, followed by O, and the O stands for power of. Meaning terms involving powers either than one. Terms involving powers. So when you are done with problem in the bracket, you then come and solve. You then come and simplify a term that has power either than one. So the power could be 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be -1, -2 in that order. Not only that, this second option also involve terms with root. The root can be also terms with powers, terms with roots. The roots can be square root, it can be cube root, it can be fourth root, and so in terms with factorial. And so when you are done with solving what is in the brackets, the next thing is to look out for terms that has powers or roots or factorial in that order. Then after that, you then come and consider the D. The D goes with the M. The D stands for division, and the M stands for multiplication. Division and multiplication goes together. In other words, when you are done simplifying or solving the first two, then come and consider between division and multiplication the one which appears first from left to right on the expression. So for division, if division appears first, you simplify that one before multiplication, and vice versa. If multiplication comes first, simplify that one before division. Having done that, then come and consider the last two letters, which is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction too are of equal relevance, and so when you are done with division multiplication, you come and consider addition and subtraction. And addition and subtraction, to consider it taking into consideration the one which appears first. So if addition appears first, you simplify that one before subtraction, and if subtraction also appears first, simplify that one before addition. And so with this, let's now come and apply the concept to solve the following question, starting with the first one. So here you see that there is no expression here in bracket, so we skip B. Then will come power of. 10 with powers. There is nothing like 10 with power. There is nothing like a 10 with a square root or cube root or whatever root. There is nothing like a 10 with a factorial sign. So we skip that. Then we come and consider division multiplication, taking from left to right. So if you move from left to right, multiplication comes first. So you simplify this one first. Multiplication first. So -5 times 2 will give us -10. Divided by our 5 comes, our 7 comes, plus our 3 comes. So having done that, then we then come and take division. Division appears next. So division here, so -10 divided by 5 will give us -2, our 7 comes, plus our 3. Then addition, subtraction. Fortunately here, addition comes first, followed by subtraction. So we just simplify it in that order from left to right. So 3 plus 7 will give us 10. 10 minus 2 will give us 8. And so the solution to this is 8. Let's move on to the second one, which is 2 plus 4 divided by 3 plus 7 times 2 squared, 2 to the power 2. So here, still with the BODMAS, you consider bracket. So expression in the bracket, we have here 2 plus 4. So we take that one first. So 2 plus 4 will give us 6 divided by our 3 comes plus our 7 comes times our 2 squared comes. Then followed by the power of a term with power. Check through. You see that 2 is having a power either than 1. So 2 is to the power 2. So we'll simplify that one next. So 2 to the power 2 will give us 4. Then our times our 7 comes plus our 3 comes divided by our 6 comes. Having done that, then we then come and consider division multiplication. So from left to right, division multiplication. You know that expanding this bracket will involve multiplying. So we consider that one. Then divide by 3, followed by this multiplication. So if we expand this, we are going to have 6. So 6 divided by this 3. 6 divided by this 3 will give us 2. It will give us 2. So here will be 2 plus our 7 comes. Then what is next is this multiplication. So 7 times 4 will give us, so we have plus, also 7 times 4 will give us what? 28. This will be 28. So then you don't count. What is left here is now only 2 tenths. So 2 plus 28, that will give us 30. So let's take the last example. Let's take the last example. Example 3. We have 4 minus 3 plus square root of 16 divided by 4 times 6 minus bracket open 4 minus 2 times 3. So here first of all bracket BODMAS. So here bracket first. So we simplify what is in this bracket, and in this bracket you would have realized that you have more than one operation there. We have multiplication and subtraction. So we multiply first. So negative 2 times 3 will give us negative 6. So it will be 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 here will give us minus 2. So the rest of the terms comes. So the rest of the terms comes. So having done that, then come and look through the term, the power of, that is the O. The O. So look through the term with square root or power or factorial. So here we have a term with square root. So square root of 16. We're going to have 4 minus 3 plus square root of 16 will give you 4 divided by your 4 times 6 minus bracket will be minus 2. Then having done that, we then come and take division multiplication, the D and M. So from left to right, let's go through left to right. Let's go through it. So here division comes first here. So 4 divided by this, 4 divided by this will give us 1. And that 1, then multiplication comes. So that 1 times this 6 will give us 6. So the whole of this will be 6. Then our plus 3 comes, minus 4 comes, minus. So here, don't forget, here 2 is multiplication. We are still on. Here 2 is multiplication. If you have to expand this bracket, so negative and negative 2 will be plus 2. So having done this, we then come and consider addition, subtraction. From left to right, subtraction appears first. So we simplify that. So 4 minus 3 will give us 1. 1 plus 6 will give us what? 7. 7 plus 2 will give us 9. So the whole of this will be 9. And so whenever you have a mathematical problem involving more than one operation, this is the order. And the order is based on that concept of BODMAS. In some cases or some areas they say BODMAS, or it is coined as BODMAS. BODMAS, which of course is the same thing. Bracket, exponent, and the exponent is the power. Then in some areas they say BODMAS. BODMAS is the same thing. bracket index. The index still refers to the power or the exponents. Then in some areas they say PEMDAS, where the P here stands for parenthesis, and the parenthesis, of course, it goes with the brackets, parenthesis. And so E exponent, multiplication, division still counts, even though here M comes before D, but we said that the multiplication and division are of equal relevance, and we consider that from left to right of the expression. And so the this thing doesn't change. The position of the M and the D here doesn't change the concept. And so after that, addition, subtraction. And so any of this will satisfy the order that we apply to simplify math problem involving more than one operation. And so if you are interested or you are convinced with this, please subscribe, comment, like, and share for the page to be interactive. Bye bye. See you in our next video.